Good morning, guys. Welcome back to My Meals Monday. So today is kind of like a weird day. We have no ice. I have no way of getting ice. Our air conditioner's out. My coffee maker is out of coffee. There's just like random things happening that's throwing my morning off, and it's so freaking hot in here, which is why you could probably hear all the fans running. But anyways, I ran to Starbucks this morning and got a coffee and a breakfast sandwich, and that's what I'm having for my breakfast. Oh, I feel out of breath. The sandwich has egg, cheese, and bacon, and then the coffee is an iced venti espresso frappuccino. Not iced, it's a venti espresso frappuccino. It's got ice in it. That's what a frappuccino is. I'm so dumb. Anyways, I'm gonna try and get ready this morning, and I've got a ton of stuff I want to get done. There's somebody just standing outside my kitchen window. That's not weird. So I'm gonna eat quickly and then go try and get dressed. So I just finished doing some filming for my YouTube channel, and which I'm filming for right now. And now I'm going to have my lunch, which is a barbecue chicken salad with like black beans and corn and tomatoes and lettuce and tortilla strips. It looks delicious. And oh, that's the TV. I was like, what is that? And I'm gonna put a TV show on. I'm watching Seventh Heaven. I know I've probably talked to you guys about it already. It's like my new obsession. I don't know why. It's an old teenage show that I've gotten sucked back into. Where's the Apple TV remote? How am I supposed to do anything? Anyways, it's an old show that I got sucked back into. It's on Amazon Prime. I know it's not everyone's cup of tea, but I'm watching it. They talk about some deep issues, and the Reverend gets shot. I was surprised by that. I'm gonna show you my lunch. Louis is very interested. This is what it looks like. Delicious, delicious. I'm so excited. Oh, and there's avocado and tomatoes. Here's this baby. Hi, Bub. What you doing? You don't get any of this. I'm sorry. So I have been making Louis's dinner. I've told you guys before that I make his dinner from scratch. It's sweet potato, green beans, hamburger. Oh, I've gone blue. Let's just see if the camera sorts itself out. Might not, who knows. Anyways, trying to put my AirPods away. So I've just made that, and that's cooling, but while I was making it, I was getting so hungry because it's already 6 o'clock. And I just have this bag of grapes. That was the most horrific sound ever. I'm so sorry for anybody that really bothered. It was like nails on a chalkboard. I have this bag of grapes sitting here, and I was just snacking on these as I was cooking. I literally ate like half this bag, not gonna lie. And now I'm gonna find something for my dinner because his dinner is cooling. I think I might have another salad. I don't know. We might order some. I'm gonna go ask Don what he wants. Please hold. Okay, so dinner has just arrived. We ordered from our local Mexican restaurant. I got a veggie burrito wet, which means that they put enchilada sauce over the top. This is what it looks like. It is freaking massive. Look at it in the comparison to the size of my hand. Like, how crazy is that? Oh, but I want to eat it all because I'm so hungry. So I'm eating that. I've been drinking water all day. I don't drink anything other than water, but I'm feeling like today might be a cocktail kind of day, so we might have to rectify that. My lack of not having one needs to be rectified, I mean, at some point this evening. Well, I think that I'm actually going to go to bed early tonight. My eyes are so red. I was wearing the Jaclyn Hill Ring the Alarm palette today, and sometimes it leaves my skin like so red looking. I don't understand why. Anyways, I'm gonna head off to bed, finish up. I'm watching an episode of Seventh Heaven. I don't know why. I do know why. I'm sucked in. I have to figure out how this is going to end. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.